Hey guys, Dr. Cary here. I'm just home for lunch and I've been intermittent fasting, so I haven't eaten anything yet. And it's getting a little bit late in the morning here, so I'm getting fairly hungry. I'm going to show you what I'm putting in my smoothie. And I know a lot of you have been asking, what do you put in your smoothie? What can I have for a healthy snack? So I'm going to show you. I'm just going to go and grab a spoon and I'm going to start with some almond milk. So this is my almond milk right here. And I'm going to pour this into my smoothie cup. Now, I'm using the Magic Bullet. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but I'm going to pour about half of this container worth of the almond milk. I didn't have enough in that container, so I'm just going to do the rest out of this one right here. Just half of the container of almond milk. Perfect. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in this good protein. And this is an excellent source of nutrition. I have this one at the clinic. We carry this for our patients. So I'm going to put in a scoop of the good protein right here. That's about half a scoop. I like to do this around a sink. I've set up next to my sink here because sometimes it's a little bit messy when you're doing this, So there's a full scoop of protein in there. The next thing I'm going to put in is creatine. And we got this big one. We have some small ones in the clinic too. Creatine is good for energy. It's good for metabolism. I'm going to put one of these small scoops, it's about 5 grams, into the smoothie as well. Okay. It's good for bodybuilders if you want to try and tone up if you're getting stronger. The other thing I'm going to put in is chia seeds. And this is a good brand, Prana. These chia seeds, I'm going to put in about 2 to 3 grams, just a small amount. And this is good fiber. It's going to expand. They're these little black seeds. You can see them right here. And these black seeds are going to expand as they're passing through your digestive system. They suck up water, they expand, they kind of get a little bit gelatinous, and it's good for getting rid of waste, getting rid of cholesterol and byproducts in your intestines. It's going to sweep it out so that it keeps you regular. Then I really like this ice cream, and it's President's Choice Madagascar vanilla. If you look at the ingredients on here, this is the best ice cream out there. It has no additives, nothing that, like when you read it, cream, milk, frozen egg yolk, some sugar and vanilla extract. Like, you can't get better than that for ice cream. It's like homemade. So I'm going to take a scoop of this ice cream because I love milkshakes. And I'm going to put a scoop of that in my smoothie as well. Now, this is kind of the not so the healthiest part, but I love it. And it's important to make your smoothie enjoyable. You want to make it so that it tastes good, so you're not suffering through it, right? So that's what I'm making here. I'm going to blend this up using the Magic Bullet. Here's the Magic Bullet right here. I'm going to put it on top. Very easy to maintain this. You just put the blender blades right on it, and I shake it up a bit, and then I'm going to blend it up and enjoy my smoothie.